okay? Are you okay, Daddy? Oh, wow. Galing. Why you're sad? Okay, one hand. Whoa. Nice. Good job. Whoa. Nice. Oh, wow. Exercise. You just do practice. Practice makes it perfect. No. You guys start changing it. Before it's practice make it perfect. Suddenly you guys learn something. Now change it to. No, in the house, practice makes it perfect. Yeah. You guys all start. Progress, everything. Life is progress. Just keep moving on. Oh, my feet! My feet! You just step on my feet. Oh, oh, you guys don't have any. I bet for it. Really? Oh, there's an airplane. The internet. What happened to the internet? Nagloloko ang mga internet. Ano ba nangyari? Ayan, oh, nagloloko. Oh, look at the airplane. Where's the airplane? I hear the sound. Oh, oh wow, that's high, Gilana. Very high. Nagkaroon ba kayong problema ng internet, guys? O lagi na mabagal ang internet dyan sa Pilipinas, no? Ito, nagre-reconnect ako eh. Okay. What you guys doing? Jumping jack together into trampoline? Oh, Dad, Gilana. Hi, Des. Nag-ano ba yung mga internet nyo dyan? Nagloloko? You guys so loud, you wake up Jewel. Ang kulit ni Gilana. Ang tigas ng ulo. You have to start talking. La! No touching.